Hey guys, we're back in the shed today and we're going to be pulling the upholstery off the rear seats in the Project P76.
Obviously you wouldn't do this if you were keeping it.
What do you mean?
So this is rooted. Like, because you're scratching it and whatnot.
Oh, like if
If you're keeping the vinyl.
the vinyl, right?
This is kind of the easy part, I suppose. Well, it's not that freaking easy, but...
Alright, so wait a second. It's kind of stuck to the side with glue.
Lay it over on it. There should be a ribbing here. There's a ribbing here.
Oh.
That's what it is. So, got that chain.
These ones. Oh, these ones. Got them. Alright, let's have a look.
Just got my jack chain here. This one's a bit harder. Bend is on the back. I'll do the bottom.
Oh, nice. One more. Oh, no.
There's a big one.
Oh, yeah, that'll be one here. Yes. That is glued on the side, yeah. Just like a band-aid.
Probably a better way to do this.
Oh, well. That's finally come off.
Yeah.
Got the foam that's been eaten away a little bit.
It's not exactly like high quality build on the foam, is it?
No. No, just a bit of everything. Oh, yeah. The crater.
The mouse like it.
Yep.
Mice, I should say. Oh well.
There you go.
I'll get this off and we'll redo that first.
Yep.
Then we'll go and look for some foam, I suppose.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely need some new foam.